Ever wondered why document control is pivotal in quality compliance? Well, let's dive right into it. Imagine quality compliance as an intricate puzzle. Each puzzle piece represents a document in your organization. Without one piece, the puzzle is incomplete, and the grand picture of quality compliance is distorted. Quality compliance isn't just a fancy term, it's a way of ensuring that your organization is maintaining the highest standards. And guess what's at the heart of it all? Documents. They form the backbone of any compliance system. From policies and procedures to records and reports, every document carries weight. The role of document control in this scenario is like the hands that carefully place each puzzle piece in its rightful place. Proper management of these documents ensures smooth operations, safeguards against errors, and maintains consistency. It's a meticulous process, but absolutely crucial. Just like a puzzle, each document is a vital piece in the grand scheme of quality compliance. Let's delve into the story of document control, shall we? Picture a diligent librarian surrounded by towering shelves of books, each one brimming with valuable knowledge. Now imagine if these books were scattered haphazardly, with no system in place. It would be chaos, wouldn't it? But our librarian, with her keen eye and systematic approach, ensures each book is properly cataloged, stored, and easily accessible when needed. Now let's swap out our books for documents. Welcome to the world of document control. It's not so different from our library, right? In the realm of quality compliance, document control plays the equally important role of managing information. Each document, like a book, is meticulously cataloged, stored, and made accessible to the relevant parties. This process is crucial. Imagine searching for a specific policy in a pile of unsorted documents. Not a pleasing thought, is it? Just like our diligent librarian, document control ensures the right information is available at the right time. Now, imagine what happens when document control is not in place. It's a bit like playing a game of telephone, really. Information gets passed around, shifted, and before you know it, the original message is lost in translation. This lack of control can lead to miscommunication, errors, and even non-compliance penalties. Without a proper document control system, the risk of errors surges, as does the potential for miscommunication. These seemingly minor hiccups can snowball into larger issues, impacting quality compliance. When compliance suffers, the reputation of the organization is at stake. It's a domino effect, really. One misplaced document, one miscommunicated message, and down it all tumbles. But it doesn't have to be this way. With proper document control, these issues can be prevented. It's about having a system in place that ensures information is accurate, accessible, and secure. It's about maintaining the integrity of the information and, by extension, the reputation of the organization. Without proper document control, the puzzle of quality compliance falls apart. So, what have we learned about document control and quality compliance? Well, we've unraveled the intricate puzzle of quality compliance, seeing how each piece, each document, plays a crucial part. And we've found that document control is like our trusty librarian, ensuring every piece is in the right place, at the right time. It's the maestro conducting the symphony of information, keeping it harmonious and in tune. We've also discovered the potential chaos that could ensue without it. Imagine a library without a librarian, books strewn everywhere, or an orchestra playing out of sync. That's the potential disruption in quality compliance without proper document control. So it's clear that document control isn't just a mundane task, it's the backbone of quality compliance, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's instrumental in avoiding non-compliance issues and maintaining a high standard of quality. Remember, document control is the unsung hero maintaining the harmony in the orchestra of quality compliance.